Here's a question most of us can't answer. When was the transmission fluid last changed on the car in your driveway? Not roughly exactly. And the registration? When does it actually expire? The records exist somewhere, in a glove box, a fire safe, a shoebox of faded receipts. But they only matter at the one moment they're hardest to find. This is the Vehicle and Auto Records Binder, a 10-tab workbook for Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice. It gathers every vehicle your household owns or leases into one file you own. But it does something a binder can't. It works out what's actually due. Almost every service runs on two clocks, a time interval and a mileage interval. And it's due when either one runs out. That's the part people get wrong. A car that mostly sits gets old oil at low mileage. A commuter burns through its mileage long before the calendar says a thing. So the service schedule checks both and tells you which one ran out first. Here's what that buys you. In the example file, the pilot's engine air filter isn't due by date for another 2 months. Your calendar would say it's fine. But it sits 500 miles from its mileage interval, so the binder flags it. Due soon on mileage alone, a date reminder would have missed it completely. You type one number a month, the odometer, and the whole schedule reflags itself. Then there are the dates that turn into tickets: registration, insurance, inspection. Type each expiry date and the binder counts down the days and flags it overdue, due soon, or current against today every time you open the file. It records who each policy is with and where the document lives, never the policy number. This next tab might be the most valuable 10 minutes in the whole file. A safety recall is repaired at no cost to you, whatever the mileage, and whether or not you're the original owner. But manufacturers post the notice to the registered owner. So a recall on a car you bought privately or one sent to an address you left years ago can sit unrepaired and you'd never know. The included guide shows you how to check every VN free at the official government lookup. And every shop visit you log with its odometer reading quietly becomes an asset. 2 identical cars, same year, same mileage. One seller says, "Yeah, I kept up with it." The other hands over a dated log. Buyers commonly pay more for the second car and tend to haggle less, not because the car is better, but because the risk is lower and provable. You get the 10-tab workbook pre-filled with a worked example you overwrite, so it's usable the minute you open it. A one-click Google Sheets copy, no importing, and 3 PDF guides, including a playbook on what each service is and why it matters. It's an instant download. Nothing is mailed. A dealer's app knows one car, the one they sold you. It can lock you out, start charging, or shut down, and your history goes with it. This file holds every vehicle in the household, and it's yours to keep, to print, and to hand to the next owner. That's the whole idea behind Ardent Workshop. Own it, don't rent it.